This is Census 2 with the Lost Learning. I'll quickly deliver the news about the Middle East war. There was a large-scale attack near the Aerospace Industry Organization located in Tehran. Also, there was a blackout in some areas of Tehran. Wolstey's report last month said the US attacked an ammunition depot in Isfahan, Iran, with a 2,000-pound bunker buster bomb causing a massive explosion. The US military conducted a large-scale airstrike in Alborz province, Iran. There was a large-scale joint attack by the Israeli military and the US military. This is over Tel Aviv. You can see Iranian missiles flying toward their targets, evading Israel's air defense network. It seems that new missiles are being deployed. This is Jerusalem, Israel, where air defenses are active as Iran launches a major airstrike. In Beersheba, Israel, there was a rocket attack. This is happening over Israel. Air defense systems are intercepting Iranian missiles. One intercepted missile broke apart, causing debris to fall. This is Iraq. Just now, footage confirmed the appearance of an Iraqi militia drone flying over Iraq. This is Kuwait. Due to Iran's attack, US military equipment and soldiers' residences at the Al Udari base in Kuwait suffered serious damage. Dubai media office reported a fire on a Kuwaiti oil tanker caused by an Iranian drone, which authorities have now fully extinguished. The office said all 24 crew members are safe with no injuries reported. President Trump has suggested 12 times that the Middle East war could end soon. He has repeatedly claimed victory or predicted that the war will end soon. However, nothing has been achieved. When asked if Gulf states would cover most Middle East war costs, White House spokesperson Caroline Leavitt said the president requested this. The Israeli parliament passed the annual budget, so the Netanyahu government will likely stay in office until fall. The Israeli opposition criticized the new budget for boosting funding to the ultra-Orthodox Jewish community, arguing the war with Iran is expensive and the country hasn't recovered from 2 years of war in Gaza. The Iranian Foreign Ministry said the United States betrayed them twice in under a year and vowed to never forget this diplomatic betrayal. Iranian Foreign Ministry spokesperson Esmail Baghain said there will be no negotiations with the US, contradicting US claims that talks are ongoing, progressing, and that Iran accepted most of the 15 proposals. The International Monetary Fund warns the Middle East war is driving up global prices and slowing economic growth. Iran's selective blockade of the Hormuz Strait has cut off up to 20 million barrels of oil per day from Middle Eastern producers, sending energy prices soaring. The IMF noted that rising energy costs are severely affecting major energy importing countries in Asia and Europe. If there is any further news, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you.
Yeah.